Natasha and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello and welcome, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer so far. It's passing by really quickly and I hope you guys are having fun. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification icon so it notifies you every time I upload a new video. Okay, so I would like to say that this video is highly requested. Even though you don't like directly ask for it, you low-key ask for it in every question that I get about this camera. So I've had 3 videos up on my channel. If you guys haven't seen those, it's about like how to use it, how to take better pictures, and like frequently asked questions. Great videos. If you guys want to see that, I'll link them down below. But every question that I get in those videos is regarding traveling with this camera. So I decided to make a whole video regarding on how to travel with an instant camera. I have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 and that's the camera that I use. So let's just get started, okay? Okay, so let me start with telling you guys with my experience. I have the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 and I travel with it all the time. I think it has gone through x-rays about maybe more than 10 times and nothing has happened to it. The film has not been damaged. I have taken pictures with the film. No, you don't have to use up all your film prior to putting it in the x-ray or passing through TSA. That's a frequently asked question. Like, do I have to use up all my film so it doesn't get damaged? No, my film has not gotten damaged thus far and I have taken it through the x-rays multiple times. Speaking about x-rays, I do take my camera through my carry-on. I do not put it in my checked luggage because the x-ray that they use through checked luggages compared to the x-ray that they use in TSA is much higher. They use really hard, harsh x-rays on the checked luggage, which will damage your film way more than getting it through carry-on. So I like to bring my instant camera through my carry-on and it's getting checked through TSA and the x-rays are much weaker, and that's what I do to prevent it from getting damaged all the way. But if you want to go that extra mile, you can actually ask your TSA to hand check your film. That way it doesn't have to go through the x-ray. Not all TSAs actually do this, but if you give it a shot, just ask them, and the more you get it hand checked, the less it has to go through x-rays and the less it has to be damaged overall. Something else that people usually ask is, does film get more damage in its originally packaged or if it's in the camera? No matter if it's in the camera or if it's in the originally packaged, it still has the same chance of getting damaged. Nothing will protect it more than the other. And speaking about that too, any developed or undeveloped pictures, what will get damaged is the undeveloped film if it goes through x-ray. But the developed ones, since it's already been developed, it will not go through any further damage. The picture will remain the same, but what has its chance of being damaged is any undeveloped film. I have also seen that people are like, okay, maybe I'll use a protective film cover. You can definitely use these as you're traveling to keep your film safe from any damage, but they also thinking like, maybe if I use this through the x-rays, they won't get as damaged as they usually would. But the thing is, because it's in a protective film cover, if it's going through the x-rays and TSA can't see it, they will up the x-ray, I guess, I don't know if it's like voltage or intensity, just to be able to see what's inside. So it's actually worse because it's getting even more x-ray, I guess, power into the film. So I would like prevent of having any film in a protective film cover as it's going through the x-ray and TSA, because it would actually get more damage than you thinking of getting it protected, you know? And the last thing I want to share with you guys regarding traveling with your camera, when you get to your final destination, it's hot, it's beautiful and tropical, and you want to take pictures on the beach and stuff like that. But if you leave your camera out on the beach too long, that is actually also ruining your film. So if you're taking your camera for the beach day, do it. I do it all the time. But make sure that when you're not using your camera, you keep it in a dark, cool place. Keep it maybe in your backpack so it's not getting direct sunlight, because the sunlight does increase the chance of ruining your undeveloped film that's in your camera. So that is all for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any more questions regarding Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 or any instant cameras and traveling or anything at all, please leave them down below so I can answer them for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here, _beauty016. You can follow your girl, see what's new, see what's good, see what's poppin', see what I'm up to, what I'm not uploading videos, so you guys can follow me up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.